have one question to ask him, which is, of course, now barring all of this, how are the results going to impact one, the assembly elections, and of course the BMC elections, where Uddhav had been ruling the roost for the last 20 years? How decisive is this going to be? When you look ahead.
I can tell you confidently that the Maha Vikas Aghadi is sweeping the Lok Sabha elections, and if the assembly elections were to be held today, don't be surprised if the Mahayuti or whatever they call themselves will be reduced to a rump. I mean, the people here are angry. There is cynicism with the kind of politics the BJP has done. And therefore, I want to make 2 points. One, this election, not just in Maharashtra, Tamanna, but all over the country, has become one between the people of India against the BJP. The BJP is the establishment, authoritarian, sectarian, polarizing force. And I think people have understood that story. It has a limited shelf life.
Can I ask you a forward-looking question? Because frankly, now people have voted. Everything all of you are saying, with due respect, is your pre-campaign stuff.
Still left.
In Mumbai, people have voted.
Sure.
We're standing together today. People
but
in Mumbai
we are
have
being
voted.
watched all over the country.
Correct.
Yeah.
My question is that has there been any clear promise to the people of this city from either side of what you are going to do to improve their lives if they vote for you? And speech after speech, because it's a general election, has become about the core political tussle.
Yes.
As a voter, and I'm going to ask her this question. No, I'm going to ask her this question. Do you even care about me as a voter?
Yeah. So let me answer very quickly. End of day, if you look at the alliance, the manifesto of all the alliance partners within the alliance of the India team, each one of them is focused on, one, to provide jobs to the young who are terribly under and, shall we say, unemployed, which is a serious crisis. This young lady here can probably manifest that. The second big issue is the overall dismantling of the Indian economy. There is a lot of hype over stock market and people talk about XYZ numbers. The truth is that in the last 5 years, India's GDP hasn't grown beyond 4.2%. The reason why Mr. Modi is an anxious man today is because the bread and butter issues have become the main theme of this election. No Hindutva, no communal.
I'm still not getting